Hello, amazing people. Julia here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to share this video with you. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to earn $3 every single month. Like, get paid for doing absolutely nothing. When people sleep, we earn dollars, and that is why I am here. So, in my channel, I teach you how to make money, how to grow your money, and how to multiply your money through investing in the stock market. Stock market has changed my life and it can change yours. So today, do not miss this video that I'm going to share with you. I will tell you the stocks you're going to buy, because what is better than earning once a year? Quarterly, every 3 months, right? What is better than earning 3 months, 3 times, 3 to 4 times in a year? Monthly. And what is better than monthly? Weekly. So stick around. So I will show you these stocks that will give you pure passive income returns. Amazing. Do not even, just stick around. I'm going to show you beautiful things. So here is our channel, and I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you can see I do a lot of videos. Those are some of the videos that you can watch, and these videos are life changing. Believe me when I say it, they can change your life. So let's go back to the video, and I'm going to teach you these things. So these are the things you're going to learn. I'm going to talk to you about passive income. I'm going to talk about what you should know about passive income assets. We're going to talk about dividends, and we're going to talk about the 2 stocks you should add to your list today and never work again. And I'm going to share with you my secret strategies. All right, so let's get on board. First of all, let me talk about the disclaimer. So the ideas I'm sharing in this video are my personal views from my personal experience, my research, and what has worked for me, and they are still working for me. So make sure you do your own due diligence, do your research before you invest, and most importantly, join a community. This video is for educational purposes, but peradventure you want to learn from me, I have a dollar community. Here you can learn about stock market basics and how to earn passive income monthly cash flow for just 10,000 naira. We have the VIP, where you get to see all the stocks I'm buying, when I buy, when I sell, so much more, just 50,000 naira. The link to pay and join are all in the description, and I cannot wait to see you in class. So let's get on to the first video, which is passive income. Okay, so let's just know what passive income is all about. All right, so I just googled it, so you could see I'm just getting it from the internet. So passive income is money you earn with little effort and without working a traditional job. And you can earn passive income by renting out property through dividend stocks or high yield savings accounts. So this is what passive income stands for. All right, so let's go back. Now, what do you need to know about passive income? The first thing you need to know about passive income is the fact that you have cash flow opportunities. So you have money coming into your account without doing much. The idea about passive income investment is that you are buying a day in future when you don't have to work again. So you can decide that, okay, you're going to be putting in money in this asset that pays you every month, and you can reinvest the money every single month. In the next maybe 1 year, 2 years, you no longer need to put in money. The capital you've built will be building your money, everything, and giving you cash out. So you may not need to work again. I recently spoke to people and I said, if you work in your 20, if you invest in your 20s and in your 30s, in your 40s, your working will be optional. So you can see why passive income makes more sense. All right. So the second thing you need to know is passive income will give you a balanced portfolio, thereby protecting your currency risk. What it simply means is if you begin to invest in passive income, you're going to combine it with your normal 9 to 5 for your normal business or side hustle you do. And eventually, as the inflation rate is increasing in the country and our purchase power is reducing, you can have backup. So imagine earning in dollars and then you get to convert it to naira. Amazing, right? So that is what you should know. The third one is long-term capital appreciation. These little $100, $50, $20, $10, $5 you can throw into this assets can in future give you up to 30 million, 50 million, over $100,000 because of what you just started small. And I'm going to do a video later and show you the power of compound interest. The fourth thing I need you to know about passive income is there is a regular payout. Okay, every single month this company is paying you, whether you like it or not. It comes and you can use it to chop life or you can reinvest it. So like I said, please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like this type of content, like this video, and please watch to the end and drop a comment. I'll be giving a free book on my dividends. I have a free book and I'm going to tell you about it at the end of this video. So always remember, this is our channel and please subscribe, and I'm going to show you something more interesting. Now let's go back. We're going to talk about today stocks that are high yield dividend stocks and REIT. REIT means real estate investment trust. So if I go back to Google and I type in dividends, so let's do this right away. Dividends. Okay. All right. So this is dividends. Dividends are a percentage of a company's earnings that is paid to the shareholder as their share of profit. So simply means it is company sharing profit with you. That's the simple thing, profit sharing. So a company that you have invested your money in makes profit in maybe sales or services, whatever they are rendering. And at the end of the month or quarter, they decide to give you a portion of that. And it can be paid as cash, it can be paid as additional shares. So now that you know, let's go back to this. So we have two different packages, like I have grouped them. So the first one is I'm looking out for high yielding dividend stocks. So dividend stocks simply means companies that pay you because you own their shares, alongside the fact that when the stocks are growing, you also earn money from capital gain. So these companies have consistently paid and increased their payout for at least the last 10 years. So they're increasing in profit, and I'm looking at companies that pay between 6 to 15%. Now, real estate simply means real estate investment trust. So this is like you owning a property without really owning physical properties. So when these companies that own these properties that you have invested your money in are collecting monthly rent, they give you your own share and they pay as high as 90% of their profits because they are not taxable. This is why you should do more research. So now you've watched the video and I'm going to take you into the two stocks that pay every month that you need to set up to collect dollars every single month. And I'm going to show you everything you need to know about setting this up. I'm going to be using stock analysis and Yahoo Finance. I'm going to look at SBR, Sabine Royalty Trust, and Realty Income. And there is a bonus of JEPI. So let's go. Let's go to stock analysis. So go to your Google and type in stock analysis. This will open. This is the current value of the stock. This is the current value of this particular stock, okay? And once you get this particular stock, you can look at the market cap, $938 million. Look at where I'm interested in dividends. Can you see dividends? So they pay 8.4% in a year, meaning that they give you $5.41 for each share you own for a year. So you buy with $64.40. At the end of the day, they give you $5 back. Now it makes sense. So imagine walking into a shop and buying biscuit and they give you some of the money you used to buy the biscuit back. That's what this is all about. So you look at this. Another thing I want you to look at is look at their performance. So it doesn't make sense that this stock is not doing well. So let's look at the last 1 year. You can see that the last 1 year, this stock has been moving between $70 and $57. So what I basically do in this stock is whenever I see this stock around $60, I buy. Anything below $60, I buy. I can actually sell some at 70 and still wait and buy it back at $60, and they pay every single month. How do you know this? You can come to their dividends and you can see all the things they have done. So you can look through their dividends history. So you can see they are going to pay on, they paid on the 15th August, 15th July, 17th June. So you can see all the dates. Let's go to Yahoo Finance and we're going to look at the second stock, which is Realty Income. So you come here and you type Realty Income. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so this stock is at $61.09, and this is something I want you to look at. Their dividend is 5.17%, and you need to understand how to read this company. I always look at their last 1 year performance. Okay, so I like to look at their last 1 year performance. Let's go back. I think something went wrong. Okay, so let's look at the last 1 year. Okay, it's hanging. Okay, so the last 1 year, this stock has done 8.47%. Look here before the chart gets loaded up. But the most important thing you need to know is that the stock is also doing well as this is one of the best dividend paying stocks that I currently own. And I love this particular company. The third one, which is a bonus I'm going to give us, is JEPI. This is from JP Morgan. It's an ETF. ETF means exchange traded funds. The beautiful thing about this stock is that they pay as high as 7%. Okay. The dividend is very attractive, 7%, and they pay every single month. Look at their 1 year, look at their performance in the last one day, and look at their performance in the last 1 year. So they have moved from 52 to 58. One thing about dividend stock is you should know is that dividend stocks don't move as crazy as normal stocks, and I'm going to talk about it briefly. So you don't need all the two stocks to start. You don't need all the two or three that I just mentioned. So all you need to do is just understand how to combine both dividend stocks and high growth stock. So if you had been in my community when I asked them to invest, I recommended them to buy CleanSpark at $10. It has returned 100%. The same thing when I recommended Palantir when it was 16%. Now it is 100%. So while you are waiting for 15%, 7%, 2% from dividends, you can actually invest in good companies that are doing well that can give you faster rates. So the combination is what we do in the community. So you see why you should be a part of the community. So finally, if you had invested in Nvidia 5 years ago with just 10,000 naira, it would just be 278,000 naira. Imagine if you had invested 100,000 5 years ago. What you will have today is 2.7 million. And remember, if you had invested this in dollars, you would have had not just naira, you would have made exactly the same amount but in dollars. So I'm going to drop the link of my dividend book in the description. Please make sure you download the book. Make sure you get the book because that is one thing you need to understand. You need to understand dividends. You need to know how to combine it and how best. You should know the companies you're buying, why you're buying them, and you should always look at these stocks and see how they're performing. I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you like this type of content, please stick around and subscribe to this YouTube channel and wait for the next video. I'm going to be showing you a stock that is going to go up in price and you are going to make money. Yes, what we do in the stock market is that we print some dollars, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Don't forget to grab my free dividend book. It's actually free and it's in the description. So grab it immediately and share the link with anybody who is going to learn one or two from this video. Have a good day and see you in the next video.